Right, okay, there's a bit of a crazy DIY project that's just calling out my name. I don't know if you can see from here, but this little dead tree here, I'm thinking of bringing it in and attaching artificial leaves to it and making it a nice little tree again, because it is dead and it's got a curly stem. I'll show you. Got my helper. Right, what do we think? Okay, so now I've taken all the dead leaves off. I'm going to try and glue these artificial leaves to the stems, branches. Thing I want to do is change this, because it's actually got like creepy crawlies in it, and I kind of want to just get rid of them now that it's going to be an indoor tree. And when we dug out the whole garden, this tub was left here, and I thought if I cleaned it up and maybe tried to fix it, it could be a good contender, so I'm going to give it a go.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded.
Okay, so I tried the tree in this pot and it just didn't go. There was just too much green with like the fake green leaves and then this green. So I'm thinking of how I can kind of like upcycle it, could paint it, but I might like it in the future. Do you know what I mean? So I'm thinking, I've already got this vinyl that looks like concrete. Can I somehow pop it over this?
Just some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm turning back. I won't stop, I'ma
it is to go alongside this in the bedroom. But now that I've done that, it makes this look really, really shit. So I've actually got a flower pot in the living room which I've been using as a side table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and carefully remove these stones. I'm going to spray paint the stones black because black seems to be my favourite colour at the moment, and place this tree in that plant pot. And if the plant pot's too small or too big or whatever, then I'll go out and get one, because I just feel like this doesn't deserve something half-assed like this. So yeah, let's get cracking. Right, so it's this little plant pot here. I do quite like this little setup, but I'm also so okay with buying a new side table, because I went to B&M and they have some really cute ones for £10, so you can't really go wrong with that, can you? Pop that there then. And this, and look, I made my own little table with this. It's a bit dusty, just ignore the dust. Right, let's see if this works then. It might not be deep enough, but let's just give it a go. Right, after doing all that doesn't look right. Oh God. No, it doesn't look right, does it, guys? Not at all. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to go and buy one, I think. As much as I didn't want to spend any money, because I didn't really. Oh, I did. I bought paint. But I think this does need a new pot. Something even more modern than that, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get something else. This is the thing with DIY, guys. Like, you know, we make it look so easy on TikTok, but it's not. It's lots of trial and error, At least I can have my little side table back. Okay, so I've been to Home Sense. I won't talk for too long because it's raining and this conservatory roof is just annoying. They didn't really have a great selection. Well, they did. They had loads of selection, actually. I'm lying. But because they had a lot of nice black ones, but because this is black, I felt like I need something contrasting. So this was kind of like the only one I fancied. I didn't want to get a massive one, so I felt like that was big and it's too big. So I wanted to get one that was just the right size, really. So I've gone for this one, and yeah, we'll see how it looks. And then hopefully we can get this all in the bedroom. But anyway, I'm glad I got this one. I went for this one mainly because of the size. I just felt like it was the right size, and I'm really glad that I actually measured, excuse the mess, it before. Okay, and that is it for today's episode, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Just to let you know, I got the leaves from AliExpress, but I think you can get them on Amazon as well. They were really, really cheap. I think they were about £5 and they came super quick. And yes, I got the planter from Home Sense, which is kind of like a TK Maxx. Yeah, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see more of this content, then please do not forget to like and subscribe. And drop a comment to say what you'd like to see next.